Hello! Welcome back po dito sa Angel Francia PH Tarot. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Kamusta po kayong lahat, mga madam and sir? I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. So, in today's video po, alamin natin kung ano ang mga sagot ng yung mga guardian angels ninyo sa mga katanungan ninyo. Okay? Sa problema, sa love life, or kung ano man yung mga gusto nyong malaman na katanungan ninyo, okay, sa buhay, sa sitwasyon, okay? Pero bago yan, gusto ko lang i-announce, Taurus, na meron akong mga bagong items sa Facebook page, okay? Doon nyo lang makikita. Next week siya darating, okay? Makikita nyo mga pictures andon sa Facebook page. Paki-follow na rin ako kasi next month, mamimigay po ako ng mga Evil Eye bracelet. Okay? Sa live. Ayan. Libre po yun. Magpapagames po ako. So, ayan. Para maka-join kayo, follow nyo ako. Facebook page ko, Angel Francia PH Tarot. Ayan. Maraming salamat. Available pa rin ang ating 2-in-1 financial blockages removal and money spell jar. 850. An all-in-one powerful red bracelet. This is 700 pesos. Okay? Lahat ng mga feedback sa items makikita nyo rin doon sa album ng aking Facebook page, Angel Francia PH Tarot. Panangga sa kulam. Pangalis sa sumpa ng iyong angkan. This is 1,900 pesos. Okay? And of course, andito pa rin ang ating 2-in-1 protection and healing necklace. This is a black tourmaline. This is 1,000 pesos. Okay, ayan. Magsimula na tayo. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement. Ano ang sagot ng iyong mga guardian angels sa mga katanungan mo ninyo? Okay? Spirit guides and angels, ano ang sagot ninyo para sa ating Taurus signs? Buksan ko lang yung ilaw kasi mukhang madilim. Madilim. Okay? Paalala lang sa lahat, this is a general reading. Hindi po ito magre-resonate po sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon. If ever man na magre-resonate, let me know in the comments. Okay? Ace of Cups. Tingnan natin kung ano ang sagot. Sunod-sunod ko na lang to. Okay? Angels, Guardian Angel, Archangel, ano ang sagot niyo sa mga katanungan ng ating Taurus, mga pinoproblema nila. Okay? Alright. Within the next few months. Okay. May bagong pag-ibig na darating sa ating mga Taurians. Ace of Cups. Within the next few months, magkakaroon yung iba, especially to those na naghahanap ng mga bagong karelasyon, I feel like within the next few months, may magpropose. May magpropose sa inyo. May mag-open up, may magko-confess sa kanilang mga nararamdaman. Okay? Kung ang tanong ninyo is, kailan magpropose sa akin ang aking minamahal? Kailan niya ako pakakasalan? Kailan siya magpropose? Within the next few months. Kailan siya hihingi ng tawad? Kailan niya ako mapatawad within the next few months? Kailan ako mag-heal? Kailan ako makaka-get over? Kailan? Ang tanong dito is kailan. Sa mga nagtatanong kung kailan, within the next few months. Regarding relationship, regarding healing, financial healing, emotional healing, physical healing. Okay? Ace of Cups. Next, you have the Queen of Cups. Oh, it's a yes. Kung may katanungan ka regarding your situation, if it's stable, lumiwanag! It's a yes. O, diba? Nakita nyo yun? Lumiwanag, diba? And then nawala. Nakita nyo, guys? Lumiwanag and then dumilim. If ang tinatanong nyo is magiging stable ba itong work ko, There's something about sa situation ninyo, Taurus, na tinatanong ninyo kung magiging stable. Yes, magiging stable. Mahal ba ako ng tao na to? It's a yes. Okay? With this Queen of Cups, trust your intuition. Kung ano man yung mga kutob ninyo, mga hinala ninyo, it's a yes. Okay? Ayan. Next. You have the Queen of Wands. You're ready. You're ready to start something new in your life. You're ready to start a new business. You're ready to... May tumatawag. You're ready to be financially independent. You're ready to start on your own. You're ready to start something new in your life. Regarding business or finances, you are ready. Okay? Kung yan ang tinatanong ninyo. Next, you have Knight of Wands. Listen to your intuition. If there is someone in your life na parang nagpi-flirt sa'yo, Taurus, if you want to do something, like if you want to go something, like if you want to talk to a person, if you want to know if this person has yung intention niya is good or bad, sabi ng Guardian Angels, listen to your intuition. Ano ba ang gut feelings mo sa kanya? Ano ba ang kutob mo sa kanya? Listen to it. Pakinggan mo, okay? Pakinggan mo ang mga bulong sa'yo ng mga Guardian Angels mo. Kung sa tingin malakas ang kutob mo na, ay wag mong pagkatiwalaan yan, or hindi yan, wag mong ituloy yung plano na yan, then don't. Pakinggan mo. Okay, yan ang sinasabi. Next, you have, the Ten of Pentacles. See, the situation will improve in your life. Claim this, Taurus, if I were you. Financial stability, security, wealth, family. Your family situation will improve, especially to those mga namumblema regarding family situation, like what I'm hearing is kung nag-away-away kayo magkakapatid, nag-away-away dahil sa pamana, nagkakagulo, anong tawag nun, nawala ng pera or something like that. There's something about, because Ten of Pentacles talks about inheritance. Okay? Talk about financial security. If namumblema kayo dahil sa pera, the situation will improve. Yan ang sagot ng Guardian Angels mo. Okay? The situation will improve regarding your finances, regarding your family situations, regarding your family wealth, regarding your long-term success na inaasam-asam ninyo, Taurus. The situation will improve regarding sa kaperahan mo. I love this if I were. I claim this. Okay? Next, you have the Seven of Pentacles. Okay? If communicate clearly. Okay, regarding your investment, regarding results, regarding like the Seven of Pentacles, this is you being impatient, no? You have to communicate clearly. Ang advising spirit guys, or ang answer, if kailan darating, or meron ba, the way you handle your finances or business is to communicate clearly with people. Maybe the reason why may hindi natuloy na mga dealings, or may hindi nag-close ng dealings, or may hindi nag-close ng dealings, yan ang narinig ko. Ang problema is the way you communicate to your clients, the way you communicate to people. Maybe there has not something wrong, but maybe kailangan mo pang i-improve para ma-convince mo sila. Alam mo yung sinasabing sales talk? May mga tao kasing magaling sa sales talk. Maybe in that area, kailangan mong i-improve yan. Yung the way you talk, the way you communicate, the way you convey your messages, the way you explain to your clients, to your boss, to the people, to your customers, and the way you handle them. Matare ka ba? Magaspang ba ang ugali mo? May mga taong kasing ganyan eh. Lalo na sa Kabisayaan, sa Mindanao, pag pumupunta ka, bumibili ka sa mga butika, ano pa ba? Mga tawag nun. Bumibili ka ng tinapay. Ang tatari nila, ang tatari ng mga sales lady. No? But I don't know bakit bumibili pa rin. Hindi dapat natin yan ugaliin. We have to learn the etiquette of the right right conduct, right manners, good manners of handling customer. Ang tawag niyan, customer care, di ba? Customer care 101. Okay? Maybe the reason why wala kang nabenta, okay, you're sad kasi parang ang tagal ng pasok ng investment, ang tagal ng kasi hindi ka marunong mag-communicate. Walang natutuloy na mga dealings, walang natutuloy na because the way you maybe hindi klaro, may something hindi nila nagustuhan. Something about that. Okay? So last few messages, last card, you have the Page of Pentacles. Ask your angels if you're asking for opportunity, because Page of Pentacles talks about opportunities, your manifestation. Okay? Regarding your financial opportunities. Regarding your financial opportunities and your manifestation, you ask your angels. Ask your angels for help, ask for guidance, ask for answers, because I feel like yan ang yan ang sagot nila. Maybe you haven't asked them. Maybe you haven't talked to Archangel Raphael, Archangel Michael. There are 12 archangels na pwede mong mapagsabihan sa mga problema mo. Okay? Nandyan lang sila. But you have to acknowledge them. How to acknowledge them? You say their name. That's how you acknowledge. Okay? You acknowledge them. Si God lang kasi lagi nating anong tawag nun? Wala namang masama. Okay? Pero para mapabilis, okay? Para mapabilis, kausapin mo rin yung mga guardian angels. Ask your angels, sabi dito. Okay? Regarding your manifestations and regarding financial opportunities, may problema ka sa mga kaperahan, walang pumapasok, walang opportunity na dumarating, tambay ka lang, naghahanap ka ng pagkakitaan, wala kang trabaho, ask and pray for your angels. Yan ang mensahe. So, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements, iyan po ang mga sagot ng yung guardian angels regarding sa mga katanungan ninyo. Again, this is general reading, okay? Let me know in the comments if this reading nag-resonate sa inyo and nagustuhan ninyo. And don't forget again to follow me on my Facebook page, Angel Francia PH Tarot, para sa mga pasabog, madaming pasabog, okay? So, I'll see you there. Ingat po. God bless. Paalam.